A few days ago, I was invited by the team from GrowMad to attend a garden major event for the forthcoming Rutland Flower Show. I'll put some details on the screen here. Now, the event was held in Barnsdale Gardens, which is in Oakham, quite near to Rutland Water. If Barnsdale seems familiar to you, it's the former home of the late TV Gardener Geoff Hamilton. Now, the estate is around about 8 acres, and a good part of that is taken up with 38 featured gardens. During the time there, I took advantage of it and had a walk around, did a bit of filming and took some photographs, which I'd like to share with you. What amazed me was, although we're only in the second week of April, the quality of the gardens, and I can't imagine what it will be like in another 6 weeks' time. So sit back, enjoy the show. See you later.
Vegetable Society as well. So David, you've got big plans for the Rutland Flower Show in terms of the collective that you're bringing together for